We set the new standard for the power washing industry on Long Island. Super Clean Machine doesn't just show up and apply pressure. We wash with a purpose. We invest in high quality, up-to-date equipment and only using the best solutions to ensure your property is safely cleaned. We do it all. If it's dirty, we clean it. Rooftops to your walkways and everything in between. Why replace? Trust Super Clean Machine for proper and professional results. Our expert technicians are trained to perform all your exterior cleaning needs. See for yourself. Check our customer reviews on Google and follow us on all social media. It's not just clean, it's super clean.